Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install BMW door LED projectors, laser projectors, whatever you would call them. So these are the M Performance ones, or actually I think you might just say Performance with a logo, because the M Performance one is just a logo, it doesn't have the lines on. So I'm going to open these and show you what they look like. Well guys, these are the projectors. So as you can see, it's got a lens with the projector in. I think you can focus here as well, like twist in, it goes focused or whatever. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is basically it. And it's the normal connector as your thing uses, your door uses, so you should be alright. You get these wires as well. I'm not sure what they're for, because I believe the other plug just sits right in there anyway. So yeah, keep them as spare anyway, see what if they're needed. Okay, so I ordered these came a month later. I ordered them from AliExpress because eBay has shit designs. They have the generic shit ones, whereas AliExpress you can choose whatever design you want. There's many different BMW ones. So these are the performance ones, the M Performance ones. It'll say performance but not M Performance, because the M Performance ones, like I said, you won't have them rings on. You'll see what I mean, but this one just says performance with the rings on, and it looks really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to install these on the car. Alright guys, I'm at the car now, got the stuff, I've got the wires in my pocket. So as you can see, the lights on at the moment, so what you want to do is get a flathead screwdriver, pry it in one corner. Oh, nearly came out then. Yeah, it's already coming out. It's pretty much out, I just need to get my hands in it. Oh shit. Okay, doing this with one hand is not a good idea. So I've just took the cover off for this actually, instead of the actual thing. All you're doing is prying up a corner like this and pulling it out like that. So yeah, there's the old connector. That will not fit in the new thing, so you will need the wires. So yeah, this wire, you can wiggle it out, so just pull it off and wiggle it out. So I'm going to need two hands for this anyway, so I'm going to pause the video. Okay guys, old one is out. That size connector is very big, so I'm not going to work with them anyway. So let me go ahead and get these connectors out. The thing is, these all have two prongs, so I'm trying to think. Oh yeah, two prongs on the right, so I'm going to take it into one of these, I guess. Hopefully I can figure out which ones, probably the top right ones. We'll check it out anyway. Alright guys, so plug this into here. I need two hands, give me 1 second guys. So just plugging that into there, literally. Okay guys, that's in now. Now I'm going to plug these two wires into first the top one. If it starts lighting up, perfect. If not, I'm going to switch it around to the bottom ones, because even on this there's only two pins that are used anyway, if you look in there. Can you see? So it is correct, I just need to get the right one in, so bear with me because I'm going to need two hands for this as well guys. My cameraman's out at work at the moment, so I can't do anything. Guys, that's plugged in now, as you can see it's working. Now all I'm going to need to do is shove this in there and put that back in the case. And there's a split thing there, I'm not sure which way the orientation is at the moment. That's perfect, as you can see. You can see the M Performance on my hand. It's the right direction, so put that in and make sure this corner goes in first. Literally just shove it in place. Simple as that guys. Straight back in place. And because it's very light outside, you're not going to be able to see it. As it gets darker, you will be able to see it. It is on right now still as well, because you see M Performance, it says there, and you got the logo. Okay, I'm going to do this to the rest of the doors now. So you do need the wires, make sure you keep the wires. Go back, I'm going to do the rest of the doors and then I'll show you what it looks like at night time. It's the exact same procedure as this one, so yeah. Alright guys, these are the projectors. As you can see, M Performance. They're not very bright, it might be because of my battery though. So I've got them sides one done. This one as well. This one needs aligning. so I'll have to realign that. And then my driver side one doesn't work, because yeah, I'm gonna have to get a new one of them for sorted out. So yeah, that's how you install it, that's how it looks. It's probably brighter, but my battery is knackered on this car. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time, goodbye.